Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 530 model. It's used, but it's in excellent shape and it works great. The battery here is brand new. I just installed it and charged it up. So, yeah, I'll show you what I got here. So I got the power adapter charger right here. 2 virtual walls that actually have batteries installed. They're used batteries, but they probably work for a while. So I'm including those batteries in there. I got a docking station right here, also in excellent shape. For more details, you guys can take a look at the pictures. So it works great too. Also including a brand new pack of it's 3 filters. So I'm going to include this setly here, and the Roomba itself. So this is newer software on this one. It's a newer Roomba. And it works great and it looks great. There's hardly any visible scratches on here, so. Alright. I'll show you on the other side here. So we've got a 3-legged brush here that's in excellent shape. The front wheel is also great. Everything has been cleaned and disinfected here with Clorox wipes. So you get the brushes here that are also in excellent shape and cleaned. The gearbox on the clean head module here has been cleaned out and re-lubed. So this Roomba will last for a while. And I'll show you the dustbin here. Alright, so the dustbin has been cleaned out and the vacuum bin's cleaned. Alright, here's a serial number in case you're interested in it. Alright, and I'll show you how that works. So like I said, it works great, and it comes with a brand new battery installed. It'll last for a while. Everything has been checked and make sure all the sensors work correctly. To show you it does a straight run, no problem. Alrighty. Alright, thanks for watching.